Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Markets behaved as expected. GIFT Nifty was indicating a level of 24,400 for Nifty future. Although markets open, it came down by 150 point, again shot up 150 point. Markets were very, very volatile. That is understandable. That's because today is a weekly expiry. So because of that, market, made a lot of moves. And moreover, the positions, F&O positions, because, option premiums were very, very lucrative yesterday. And I told you even 1,000 point up and down also, the premiums were trading around 10 rupees. The people who have sold short-term options, in a nearer place, they were adjusting, up and down. And overall, the expiry was on expected line. Crude oil shot up from $90 to $120 yesterday, and today it has come down from $120 to $90. But the Nifty fell how much yesterday? The same amount Nifty has not recovered. Normally, it doesn't happen like that. But however, what is very, very important, nearly 20% crash in India VIX. And look at the prices. The put option prices collapsed. But the point here is that though Nifty moved more than 200 point higher, even the call prices did not go up. Look at the monthly call option, 24,500, 25,000, 25,500. Like 25,500 call option, yesterday it was around 67 rupees, today it is 46 rupees. 20 rupees down when the Nifty shoots up 200 points. The main reason is the collapse in IV. And long-term options, if you look at the December 25,000 straddle, 26,000 straddle, 27,000 straddle, both puts and calls have come down, but puts have come down very much. So usually people who trade, positional traders who trade with a stop loss, yesterday left, right and center, the stop losses would have been hit because such a big fall in the morning. But, there are ways and means, one can manage. It is not a good idea to exit the positions when the IV is so high. So there are many other ways one can manage. And you may remember I told you yesterday, I did one put ratio because I was having some straddles, 24,500 straddle. I was worried the market may continue to fall. So that's why I added a put ratio. But then today market recovered. So look at my 24,500 put option, that also gave a very good profit. 24,500 call option also gave some minor profit. That put ratio also gave some profit only. The put ratio did not give any loss. But instead of doing this, had I got panic and then exited position yesterday, I would have had to book a huge loss. These are the strategies, when to apply which strategy and how things work, So that all we discuss in our workshop. So again, I have come back to promotion of the workshop. Okay, because the Mumbai, the response has not been as great as we expected. Chennai is okay. Chennai is almost full, right? So we have 100 seats, but 98 seats are filled already. So that's okay. Mumbai, we are having more seats. So those who are interested may contact our office. Today, it was an expected line. Today is a crude story. All the companies that are benefiting because of the crude, like oil marketing companies, paint companies, auto industries, so they all have done well. But however, one big disappointment is that Reliance Industries is negative, Bharti Airtel is negative, Infosys is negative. So I think these three stocks are among the top 5 or 6 stocks. And all three of them are down. But however, one consolation is that the long time underperformers, long time means like for the last 2 months, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank both contributed very well on the higher side. And we are discussing the Nifty, but broader markets have outperformed. Mid cap, small cap, next 50. So the broader market has done really well. But remember, number one, the war is still not over. So you may remember last Thursday, there was some rumor that, Iran is willing for negotiation. And in 20 minutes, Nifty shot up 400 points. But what happened after that? A vertical fall of nearly 1,200 points. And today, market recovered because the global markets recovered. And, short covering also. But, tonight, if there is some bad news in the war front, and tomorrow market can fall equally. So, these are the times, if you are an options trader, if you are in a good profit, better book the profit. And then even if you are not in a good profit, even some minor loss also, better book the positions at the end of the day, recreate the same positions next day morning. So thereby you can avoid the overnight risk. Of course, there are some plus and minus points, tomorrow opening itself, if IV crashes further, then you will not be able to get the same premium. But you may get 5 rupees, 10 rupees less premium, but that is worth, losing that money rather than having a sleepless night in case if something happens overnight. So that's very, very important, because this kind of time, overnight anything can happen. And so the war is a war. And until there is some amicable settlement, so better not to carry positions heavily. Or you can sell far away. And look at the Nifty. I think 1,500, 2,000 point away also, you are getting 10 rupees, 12 rupees in a weekly option. Forget about the monthly option. One thing I have to tell you, today market is up nearly 200 points. All the put premiums crashed like anything, but the monthly put option, 22,500 put option. I don't know why there was such a big spike in that. Yesterday, that was closed around 63 rupees. And today, market is higher. Nifty is higher by about 200 points. But still that was trading around 80 rupees. Where is 63 rupees? When the market goes up, put prices has to come down. But that particular strike price, put premium spiked. Why to analyze why it is going higher? So sold it. And then, when the price came down to below 70 rupees, I exited because I don't want to carry the positions overnight. So sometimes, you keep watching this option chain. Sometimes you can see this kind of aberrations. And I really don't know who are those people who are buyers, why they pay so much higher price, for buying that particular put option. People generally say, sir, that is bought for hedging. But then, you are buying an option for hedging. So you have to buy at least, within 1,000 point distance. If you are buying 2,000 point distance, then you actually, there is no much margin benefit. So let me tell you how the margins work. If you are selling a put option, right now the margin is around, let us say, 1,30,000 plus exposure margin of 30,000, something like around 1,60,000. So your span margin is about 1,30,000. But if you buy an hedge 2,000 point away, then when you buy the hedge, the span margin is equal to the maximum risk. So when you buy 2,000 point away, your maximum risk is 1.3 lakhs. And that is the same margin even without doing the hedging. So that is why, in a high volatile environment, people don't do the hedging, but they play with less volume, right? So that, they have enough money for adjustments. So that's how the things work. And Although the VIX has collapsed by 20%, but still the weekly premiums are really very, very high. Still remember, our VIX is more than double of what it used to be about few months before. So still the premiums are really very, very high. So we have to see whether FIIs were buyers today or not, and US markets are correcting a little bit after rising so much yesterday. In fact, sometimes in the afternoon when the European market opened, US market futures have gone higher actually. But right now I'm seeing it is down slightly. So it makes sense for US markets to consolidate. And I think for tomorrow or for next 1 or 2 days, that will be the case even in our market also. Markets are likely to consolidate. 24,000, as I told you, is a good support. So that support was held on a closing basis yesterday, and it has been held on a closing basis today also. So we discuss a lot of interesting strategies in our workshop. So my upcoming workshop this Saturday, Sunday in Mumbai, next Saturday, Sunday in Chennai. So those who are interested can contact our office. The seats are filling very fast. So let us see what's going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.